What's good, Millennial Money Investors? I got a tip for you guys today. A little less of a tip today, more of a discussion topic. Work. I hear all the time people wanting to get wealthy, retire, make $1 million. They're looking for the easiest ways possible. Now, I have nothing against making easy money. I think that's smart. But there is a fundamental element that I think most people miss, and that is in their idea around work. Work is actually not your enemy. If you hate work, if you're lazy, I got a secret for you. You will probably never be wealthy, right? This centers around the idea that you need money, you need free money to start building wealth. There's really not many other ways around it. You might get lucky, you might hit the lottery, but if you're bad with money and you're lazy, you'll probably blow all your money and end up broke again. If you look at people who win the lottery, that happens all the time. But people who have good work ethic, no matter what their position is, if they have good work ethic and they have an investment plan, a lot of times, most of the time, they end up retiring early or living comfortably in their later years. Why is this? It centers around work, all right? Now, I'm not saying, go out and work a job for the rest of your life, right? I'm here to help you guys find financial freedom, but if you hate work, if you're lazy, that is gonna be your biggest hurdle to getting started well. You need to embrace work and hustle, especially while you're young. You're gonna have more energy, you're gonna have more time, you're gonna be able to do more when you're young, right? So what you need to do in your 20s and 30s, millennials, hear me out. You need to work, you need to hustle, and you need to build that cash so that you can start investing and growing it. You need to make money work for you. But if you don't have extra money, you're gonna always be chasing money, but you're gonna be too lazy to really do much with it. So if you're hearing this and you're like, man, I do fall for get rich quick schemes, I don't really like to work hard, that might be the first thing you need to change. You might need to ask yourself, what do I need to do now to just start building good work habits? What do I need to do now to hustle harder? What do I need to do now to maybe even enjoy work? If you guys notice, most millionaires are self-made millionaires. Like, stats are everywhere. Like 80% or 85% of millionaires are self-made millionaires. And generally, that's because they worked their way up to getting there. And then you'll also find a lot of times they continue working even after they have, lots of money. Even after they could retire, they continue working because they're hustlers. They like working and they like building more wealth. So getting wealth and being wealthy is a mentality shift. It's embracing work and pushing into work, not trying to be lazy and avoiding it at all costs. Now, again, I'll rephrase. It's okay to find easy ways to make money. It's okay to make your money work for you. But if you're doing it because you're lazy, if you're trying to just slip through and hopefully become a millionaire, it won't work for you. It won't. So my encouragement for you today is get out there and hustle. If you are naturally a lazy person, break that habit. Start doing some disciplinary things in your life to build better and better habits, to be more disciplined and work harder. It will help you out in the long run. So that is the tip or the discussion point for today.